Hello my friend, how is everyone doing today? Today we're taking a look at the 8, we don't want to say that word on there because it's anyway, universal switch panel system. A lot of people are going to be like, why wouldn't you say that word? Well, that's not a nice word for some people, so we're just not going to say that. Let's show you guys what you get inside the box. You got your how-to guide. Please follow it 100%. I'm not going to go into detail on that because if I show you guys how to do it and then you do it wrong and something happens, you know. So you get all these different decals. If you're familiar with electrical, this should be easy. You have your on and off. Now this is just if it trips your fuse, you can then reset it. And you can also manually disconnect it. So if you want to actually disconnect the whole unit, let's say you want to add some more stuff to it, you can just press the button to reset it. Your positive and negative is going to be connected onto that. Once you pop off your top cap here, you're going to have access to your fuses. So these are all going to be different fuses. You can take a look over here and you can see the different amps. So when you're connecting, make sure you connect your correct amp. So if you're putting a light bar on that needs a 30 amp fuse, or it's 30 amps, connect it to the 30 amp all the way down to the 10. You got your positive here, so you're going to connect your positive cable here, your negative cable here to your vehicle battery. Under the cap, they do provide you with extra fuses, which is really nice, and to take your fuse out, got your little tool. Here's going to be your panel switch box. You're going to have your on and off, and then you can put on your decals whatever you want or leave them, whatever you decide, and they will light up. Inside the box, you got all your different accessories, double-sided tape, power cable, brackets, cables to connect to your fuse box. You got your positive and negative wires. They basically provide you everything you need. If you need to run it further, you're going to have to get more cables. You get your screws and everything inside there. But for the most part, most people should be alright with what they provide. If not, just simply, you know, get more cable length. Now here's where I don't like to show people stuff, because here's where some people disagree and some people agree. If you want to do it, you can follow it 100% how they have it. So you can do 100% how they show you to do it. For us, we will run it like this. We will run this. So let's see if it shows positive or negative on here. Okay, so this will be for the positive. So for this, we would connect our positive cable here to our positive of our battery. And then we would connect the positive cable from here to the positive on the junction box. And then we would connect our negative cable from the junction box to the negative terminal on our battery. And that way, if it trips, you know, the positive trips, it disconnects the positive. Now, when you have this connected, you can see, you can turn it on and off. And then it lights up, and then it shows you on the top when you have something on, so an accessory on. I recommend putting this somewhere that's a little darker in your vehicle, but easy to access, because the lights aren't super bright. So if you're going to put it somewhere that's more dark, and if nothing's being used, as you can see, it auto goes off. Okay, no, that's just because of our system here. Anyway, just ignore that. But yeah, you can turn multiple ones at the same time, or just have a few, whatever you want on, turn them all off at the same time. Overall, it's a really nice kit, guys.